Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to file an extension for taxes using TurboTax. Filing an extension is a smart move if you need more time to gather your documents or if your tax situation is a bit complex. It gives you an automatic 6-month extension to submit your federal tax return, pushing your deadline from April 15th to October 15th. This simple step can help you avoid those pesky late filing penalties from the Internal Revenue Service. Filing an extension with TurboTax is straightforward. First, log into your TurboTax account. If you're new, it's easy to create one. Once inside, simply use the search bar to find File an Extension or look for the option under the Tax Tools menu. TurboTax will then guide you step by step through filling out and electronically submitting IRS Form 4868, which is the official extension request form. It's designed to be quick and hassle-free. It's crucial to remember that a tax extension gives you more time to file your return, but not more time to pay any taxes you might owe. You must estimate your tax liability and pay any amount due by the original April 15th deadline to avoid potential penalties and interest. Also, keep in mind that while the federal extension is automatic, state tax extension guidelines can vary. Always check your individual state's requirements to ensure full compliance. After you've successfully submitted your extension through TurboTax, you'll typically receive an electronic confirmation within 48 hours. This confirmation means your federal filing deadline is now extended to October 15th. However, it's vital to reiterate that any taxes you owe must still be paid by the original April 15th deadline to prevent late payment penalties. With your extension filed, you can now take your time to accurately prepare and submit your full tax return.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.